For this episode, we're designing a 45 square meter, single-story home for a family of 4 in the Philippines, using Nordic home design principles as our inspiration. As always, this design is only for inspiration. Actual dimensions, structural requirements, materials, and construction costs may vary depending on your location, lot condition, and local building regulations. Now let's take a look at the house. Starting from the exterior, the house has a very simple rectangular form. The overall footprint is approximately 6 meters by 7.5 meters, giving us around 45 square meters of floor area. Instead of creating complicated roof lines and decorative architectural features, the exterior stays clean and straightforward. We have light-colored exterior walls, a simple metal roof, natural wood details around the entrance, and large openings where possible. This type of simple construction can also help control the budget because there are fewer complicated structural details to build. The small covered entrance provides enough protection from rain and direct sunlight without creating an oversized porch. For a provincial or residential setting in the Philippines, landscaping can also remain simple, using local plants instead of expensive decorative features. Once we enter the house, we immediately arrive in the main open-plan area. Instead of separating the living room, dining room, and kitchen with multiple walls, all 3 spaces share approximately 20 square meters. This is one of the most important decisions in a small 45 square meter house. Removing unnecessary partitions makes the interior feel much larger than the actual floor area. On one side is the living room. We keep the furniture simple: a compact 2-seater sofa, 1 accent chair, a coffee table, and a low television cabinet. There's enough furniture for everyday family use without filling every available corner. The light wood furniture, white walls, and neutral fabrics also help make the room feel brighter and visually lighter. Instead of adding too many decorations, a few plants, artwork, and practical furniture pieces are enough. Beside the living room is the dining area. Because this home is designed for a family of 4, a 4 to 6 seat dining table gives the family enough flexibility. It can be used not only for eating, but also for homework, working from home, or additional preparation space when cooking. The dining area is positioned between the living room and kitchen, which creates a natural transition between the different functions of the open space. There are no unnecessary walls or large cabinets separating them, so movement around the room remains easy. Moving to the kitchen, we use a simple L-shaped configuration. This gives us a good amount of countertop and storage without taking too much space from the dining area. The sink is positioned along the main counter, while the cooktop, oven, and refrigerator are grouped on the other side. Instead of expensive full-height upper cabinets, we can use simple floating shelves for frequently used plates, cups, bowls, or small kitchen items. This keeps the kitchen visually open while also helping reduce cabinetry costs. Most of the storage is concentrated underneath the countertop. For a low-budget build, the important thing is not having the most expensive kitchen materials. The priority should be durable countertops, easy-to-clean surfaces, sufficient storage, and a practical working layout. At the rear left portion of the house is the parents' bedroom. This room is approximately 10 square meters. The layout is intentionally straightforward. There is enough space for a double bed, 2 small bedside tables, and a wardrobe. Because the room is compact, large decorative furniture is avoided. A light color palette and simple wooden furniture help maintain the same feeling throughout the house. A window on the exterior wall provides natural light and ventilation, which is especially important in the Philippine climate. Even with only 10 square meters, the bedroom can still feel comfortable when circulation around the bed is properly planned. On the opposite side is the children's bedroom, approximately 7.5 square meters. Since 2 children will share this room, the main space-saving solution is a bunk bed. Instead of placing 2 separate beds that would consume most of the floor area, stacking the sleeping spaces vertically gives us more usable room. Along the opposite wall, we can include a compact study desk and some storage. This gives the children a place for homework, books, school supplies, and personal belongings without requiring another separate study room. For families working with a limited floor area, using vertical space becomes very important. Between the 2 bedrooms is the common bathroom. At approximately 3 square meters, it is compact but contains the main necessities: a toilet, small lavatory, and shower area. A glass shower partition can help control water without visually making the bathroom feel smaller. But if the budget is very limited, even a simple shower curtain or partial divider could work. The goal is to keep the bathroom easy to maintain, practical, and properly ventilated. Beside the kids' bedroom is a small dedicated laundry and service area. It is only around 2 square meters, but separating the washing machine from the kitchen and bathroom helps keep household functions organized. There is space for a washing machine and simple shelving above it for detergents, cleaning supplies, and baskets. Having a dedicated service area is especially useful for a family of 4, even in a very small home. What makes this 45 square meter layout practical is not the amount of furniture or decoration. It is the way each square meter is given a purpose. The private rooms are grouped toward the rear, while the living, dining, and kitchen occupy one large shared area in front. Circulation is kept simple. There are no long hallways taking away valuable floor space. Furniture sizes are also controlled so that the house still has comfortable walking areas. And wherever possible, windows and openings can be positioned to improve natural daylight and cross-ventilation. In the Philippines, this becomes especially useful because reducing heat buildup and improving airflow can also reduce dependence on air conditioning during certain times of the day. So this is our 45 square meter Nordic-inspired home concept for a family of 4. It is not designed to be luxurious. The idea is to create a house that feels bright, comfortable, organized, and realistic for a family working with a more limited budget. With a simple structure, open-plan living space, compact bedrooms, bunk beds for the children, practical storage, and a dedicated laundry area, even a relatively small footprint can still support everyday family life. Remember, this is only a design inspiration and not a final construction plan. Before building, always consult a licensed architect, engineer, and local professionals to make sure the design is appropriate for your property and requirements. If you enjoy practical small home design ideas like this, subscribe for more home design inspiration for spaces big and small.